Guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy A35 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have connect with internet but your game or application are not visible in your Google Play Store, as in my situation. To fix it, go back to the main menu of our smartphone, tap on our photo on the right corner and there are settings. In it, family and parental control. As you can see now we have page 3, 2 visible game or application. As Mobile Legends game, we need more than page 3. To fix it, we must tap there, enter our look screen to get connected to that, and we can change it from page 3 to maybe page 16, config by understood and save. You can also turn off your parental control by switch off. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, and it is visible right now and we can do it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.